Before we start, there's a link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price. More on how that can help you with Firestick issues later. To get started, grab your remote and head over to the settings menu on your Firestick. From there, go to Equipment Control. Next, choose the option to add equipment and select TV. Once your Firestick detects your television, select Yes. You'll then be prompted to press the power button on your remote. Press it once, then press it again. A message will pop up asking if your TV turned off and then turned back on when you pressed the power button. If it did, go ahead and select Yes. At this point, your Fire TV remote has been updated. Click OK, and you should now be able to adjust the volume and power your TV on and off using the Firestick remote, just like it's supposed to work. Now, as promised, if you're someone who uses a Firestick regularly, you might run into issues like certain apps not working, regional content being blocked, or buffering problems. This is where NordVPN comes in handy. It helps you bypass geo-restrictions, improves privacy, and can even improve streaming speeds in some cases. Check the link in the description to try NordVPN for a great price and get the most out of your Firestick experience.